Today I'm skin brushing to get rid of all of this excess skin, all the extra skin on my belly. And this creates exfoliation. And those of you that want to lose weight and get rid of all the extra skin that's left over after you've lost that fat, you can use a skin brush like this every day. Right now it's the morning, and it's good to stretch after you get up in the morning and do some skin brushing.
Please give this video a like. Thank you so much.
Action creates change in the body. You can also do some self-massage on your abdominal region, and that will create movement of various things like your large intestine to create a bowel movement. This also may stimulate some movement in the digestive system.
If you have a question, just write it in the comments down below.
This is a super aggressive brush, okay? So it's gonna draw blood to the surface of the skin. And that will create new skin cells to be formed and help to get rid of old dead skin cells. Why not work on the chest as well?
If you'll please give this video a like, it will help it to rank better so that more people will see it and learn all of these valuable techniques. If you'll also make a comment, that helps it to rank better too. And if you like my videos, you can subscribe for more. Thanks so much.
Hell, why not work on the legs too?
Links for skin brushes and foot massage tools and back rollers and squatting platforms and more are in the description box down below, so check that out.
Sorry, I'm kind of green. It's a green bulb. I like different colored bulbs. I swap them out all the time. But yeah, if you want to stay looking young, you don't want extra skin on your body. You don't want extra anything on your body. It's really good to do your feet and your ankles. You know, those of you that have arthritis and various other accumulation diseases or bacteria diseases, toenail fungus and all of that, you don't want extra material on your body. Because the deal is that bugs like to eat the extra material. Because when there's no good blood flow or lymphatic flow, cellular flow in your body, then that's what you get. You get stagnation. When you get stagnation, you get disease. Okay? So this action creates movement, as I said. And movement is life. Okay? Movement is life. This is the Rule of Eating flyer. It's 2 pages of easy reading that you can download on my website, brettsnaturalhealth.com. Links in description box below. So in order to live, you have to want to live, and then you have to make the effort. Now that's the biggest problem that I'm seeing with people. For some reason they don't know, or they don't love themselves, they don't care about themselves, they care about things that don't have very much value. And so they don't do the skin brushing, they don't do the self-massage, they don't do the stretching, they don't make the healthy food, etc., etc., etc. Okay? You also have to make the effort to do the spiritual work. All of these things. I sell skin brushes on my site. This is the Bernard Jensen skin brush. You can remove the handle so that you can use it with your hand, or you can use it on your back like this. It's a fantastic skin brush, and they're not expensive. I think they're around $13. And this is the facial brush. It has a lot of little, not too aggressive, but just right brushes for your face. And you can really feel it. It really gets the job done. I use these every single day, and it feels so good. This is the Foot Friend multi-tool, and it is an essential part of keeping your feet healthy. You just step on the plank and put your foot on one of the 4 blades. You swap them out to get different contours so that you can massage in different ways the bottoms of your feet. And this is the way to massage the bottoms of your feet, because you have 3 deep layers of muscle tissue in your feet. And the only way you can really dig the pain out good is by stepping on something that's just the right thickness, just the right contour. You can swap out the contours, 4 different ones. This is the best tool that I've been developing for many, many years, as many of you have seen. But a lot of you have not purchased one of these before, and so you need to just kind of get going with it. These are wooden spine rollers. They're handmade, and they're all natural, and they're solid wood, and they're so much better than yoga rollers, yoga wheels, because they're firm, and they feel so much better, and they crack the hell out of your back and massage all the musculature along the spine that gets so tight and sore. And you can use these every single day. Crack. And you'll feel better instantly. It's like having your own chiropractor at home. And after you've purchased one, they'll last for years and years, decades, because they're solid wood and they have all natural. See, this is natural latex yoga mat rubber, the high quality expensive stuff. That's all I use with my products. Everything is high end. This is actually maple from a tree that was cut down 2 blocks from here that I harvested and dried over a couple of years, and I have a bunch of it right now, and it's absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. So get you one at brettsnaturalhealth.com. Links for all my products are in the description box below. Why not get squatting for bowel movements? This is one of my new squatting toilet platforms. And all you do is you just get right on there and squat for bowel movements. It's so much easier and better to take a crap using one of these fantastic squatting toilet platforms. So get you one of those too. They're only like, I think they're on sale for $125. Yes. Thank you so much for joining me. Be well.